Hello, my name is Dylan Courville with Anthony's Subaru. Today's video we have a 2016 Sport Model WRX. That's the shot of the front. This model here was locally driven and owned. It's a nice low kilometer example of a good condition WRX. Here is a shot of the stock number. You can see there that it has 30,000 kilometers on it. Here's a list of the features. It does indeed actually have power seat for the driver. It has Bluetooth, backup camera, paddle shifters because it is a rare automatic. A little harder to come by, a little bit easier to live with, and you do have the paddle shifters so you want to have some fun, maybe on a back road somewhere. So it's one owner, local car, was actually a family member of a staff member that worked here at Anthony's Subaru. So it is a 2016 with very low kilometers. Nice to see that it was not driven all too much. So it will still have part of its 5-year, 100,000 kilometer warranty left on it. Seeing as this is only at 30,000 kilometers, it is much likely that you would run out of the warranty in time first. However, that is a big upgrade over just having a used car warranty. Nice to see. This model here is nicely equipped, so it's got a sunroof. It does have very nice cloth seats, which are nice and grippy, and they hold you in very well. Has heated seats in the center console there. There is the automatic gear selector. Getting a little bit further into the car, looking at the steering wheel, you're going to have Bluetooth hands-free controls. You're going to have cruise control. Down below that there is some drive mode settings. If we just focus, there we have intelligent and sport mode, as well as intelligent and sport sharp mode. Those are just an enhanced version of the button on the right. Intelligent mode will be more of a fuel economy driving, save you some gas, and then the sharp sport sharp button there will just enhance the way the car drives, maybe make it a little bit rev a little bit better, quicker, faster in every way. So here's a 6.5-inch screen on the center console there, as well as a secondary screen in the shadows that can sort of display a number of different data. Heading out to the front of the car, you'll see that it's got the pure red paint job on it. Very nice color for this vehicle. Really makes all the black glossy accents on it pop out. So this is a WRX. It's got 268 horsepower, probably peaks out that power at 5,600 RPMs there, and about 250 some odd pounds of torque. It's got some sort of nice gunmetal gray wheels on it that's running on the original Dunlop Sport Max tires. Going towards the back of the car, plenty of room for all people in the vehicle. Holds 5 people comfortably. Lots of headroom and leg room as well. It's plenty of storage space. Nice thing about these 4-door cars is they really can do it all with the all-wheel drive system working beneath it, and the amount of space in it. You can take all your friends in it in any weather, no matter where you're headed. You're gonna make it. Head up to the back of the trunk here. Get it popped for us. Now the last owner did find that they wanted a little bit more oomph out of the speakers, so they did option for a kicker subwoofer in the trunk as well. Also some WeatherTech mats back here, some rubberized good mats for the winter time. And not only did they stop there with the speakers, but they did replace the front door speakers with Focal speakers, so they are a big improvement. It's going to give the car a little better sound when it comes to listening to tunes. Getting a bottom shot of the car there, you'll see the quad exhaust tips. Yeah, heading around it, pure red color looks really nice on this car. And it is a neat option to have an automatic WRX. And like I said before, you have those paddle shifters there too, so you can also have some fun when you want to have a little bit more fun. Very livable car. Great condition, low kilometers, factory warranty, doesn't get any better than this. If you want to see it, come give me a call. Dylan Courville, Anthony Subaru. My business number here is 250-861-6163, extension 221. Also, if you want to reach me anytime, you can text or phone on my cell phone number, 250-300-3111. Well, I hope this piqued your interest. Have a nice day, and feel free to stop on by. Thank you. Bye-bye.